In this video, you will see how to change line color in LibreOffice Writer. As you can see, I have changed the line color and I have also changed the line style. It's very easy. To insert the line, first you need to click here. This is the insert line option, or you can also click here on the insert line. After clicking on the insert line, draw the line in the document, and by default this will be a thin blue line. To change the color thickness of this line, just click on the line to select the line, and here you will see the option of line. You can select the type of line you want. If you want a arrowhead line, you can select it from here, and you can also select the line style. Here you can see dotted, dash line, etc. Let's say I will select the dotted line, and this is the thickness of the line. You will need to increase the thickness of the line, and this is the color option. So you can click on the drop down and you will see here different colors. So you can select any color among these colors. Let's say I will select here the purple color. You can also go to the custom color if you don't like these colors, and you can create your own color by dragging the cursor over to the color you want and selecting the shade, and then click on OK, and then this shade will appear here. If you want darker shades, you can go to the tonal option and you will see a lot of dark shades, so it will be easy for you to select the proper color. In this way you can change line color in LibreOffice Writer. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next one.